Do you ever wonder how the rich keep getting richer? It's no coincidence that the wealthiest individuals in the world all follow a set of money rules that they don't want you to know. But today, I'm here to spill the beans and share with you the 9 money rules that the rich keep hidden from the masses. Rule 1. Invest early and often. The rich understand the power of compound interest, and they start investing their money as early as possible to take advantage of this wealth-building tool. Rule 2. Diversify your income streams. The wealthy know that relying on a single source of income is risky. They diversify their investments, businesses, and passive income streams to ensure financial stability. Rule 3. Live below your means. The rich don't flaunt their wealth with extravagant purchases. Instead, they prioritize saving and investing their money wisely, living frugally to secure their financial future. If you're new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Rule 4. Harness the power of leverage. The wealthy understand how to use debt strategically to grow their wealth. They leverage credit to invest in assets that appreciate in value, maximizing their returns. Rule 5. Network and surround yourself with successful individuals. The rich know the importance of networking and building relationships with like-minded people. Surrounding yourself with successful individuals can open doors to new opportunities and valuable connections. Rule 6. Continuously educate yourself. The wealthy never stop learning. They invest in their education, whether through formal schooling or self-improvement, to stay ahead of the curve and adapt to changing market conditions. Rule 7. Take calculated risks. The rich understand that all investments come with risks, but they know how to assess and mitigate these risks to maximize their returns. They are not afraid to step out of their comfort zones and take calculated risks to grow their wealth. Rule 8. Give back and practice gratitude. The wealthy are generous with their wealth, giving back to their communities and charitable causes. They understand the importance of practicing gratitude and sharing their success with others. Rule 9. Stay disciplined and stay the course. Building wealth takes time and patience. The rich understand the power of consistency and discipline in achieving their financial goals. They set clear objectives and stay focused, even when faced with challenges. So there you have it, the 9 money rules that the rich don't want you to know. By following these principles and adopting a wealth-building mindset, you too can take control of your financial future and achieve the financial freedom you deserve.